In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto on Exodus Wallet. First, open the Exodus Wallet app on your phone or desktop and unlock it. On the main screen, you'll see your list of assets. To deposit crypto, tap or click the coin you want to receive, for example BTC or USDT, then select Receive. You'll see your wallet address and a QR code. This is the address you use on an exchange or another wallet. Copy the address, go to the place you're sending from, choose Withdraw/Send, so paste that address, make sure the network and coin match, then confirm the transaction there. After a few confirmations on the blockchain, the crypto will show up in your Exodus balance. To withdraw or send crypto out, open the same coin in Exodus and tap Send. Paste the recipient's address, double-check it's the right network, enter the amount, and review the network fee shown. When everything looks correct, tap Send and wait for the transaction to confirm on-chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.